could do anything. I could do anything. Hey guys, welcome back to Amirah Chat. So today we're going to be working with water. First up, we're going to do a magic trick. We're going to pour water in one of these cups. I want you to guess which cup I pour it into. I'm going to show you inside of the cups. Pour water in one of these cups. That's next. And remember which cup it is. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. In the bloopers, I'm going to reveal what I did. I'm going to do the experiment.
The experiment is called walking water. Okay?
So the experiment called the walking water. What we need is empty cups, water, food coloring, napkins. Now we're going to pour the water. Try to make green with blue and yellow. I'm going to put the food coloring. Other side. Oh, it looks a lot of bluish. Sorry, guys. Now we're going to roll the napkins. The napkins in the cups.
color is the cup?
It's green. Hey guys, welcome back to Amirah Tries. So today we're going to be working on water.
Not on.
Not on.
What is that?
This is a secret.
So we're going to have a secret. It's not going to be at all. It's going to be perfect. And everything is going to be gone. And my magic power is so neatly. Because I understand. I have powers in my hand. And in my head. In my brain. Everything. I'm so crazy. My mom used this stuff to soak up the liquid. This is how it looks. I just poured it. Testings is zucchini. The testing is me. The testing is me. The testing is zucchini. Zucchini, zucchini, zucchini. You need to try it. Zucchini,
It's moving.
Did you try it before? Zucchini, zucchini is
Take
good
some
for
time.
your body. It's healthy
Moving.
for you. Oh, it looks like juice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks like Gatorade. Like, it looks like you poured it in with Gatorade.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm the blue one and you're the yellow one and Bob is the 0 one. And Alia is the 0 one too. Yeah, I'm like, what? I'm not a 0? Next time, I'll need to try it because what did this say? What did this say, everybody? What did this say? What did this say? What did this say? Siesta. Zucchini is so good for you. Zucchini, 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 zucchini. A monkey. Your dress looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, why did those have faces on it? You know it because I don't know. Because all you go just drive to Pino on here for us. I can't. I don't have
Please
it.
don't get the table again.
I can do anything. I could do anything.
All right, girl.
In the night, me and my mommy and daddy and sister goes to lunch together at a restaurant. That's it. And then my family, you could do anything. You could do anything. Anything. You could do anything. Welcome back to Amirah Tries Everything Tonight.
I'll say thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you liked my video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.